Well, spring's in the air, 4th of March. Nice sunny day for a change. And it's not raining because it's been absolutely horrible February. They say it's been the wettest February on record. I can well believe that because I've hardly been able to get down here. But yeah, spring is on its way, and we can tell that because the weeds are coming back. Well, these are actually, I think, flowers that are self-seeded, but yeah, these are coming back, but they won't take long to get rid of. So I'm going to have a go at these strawberries, especially those ones at the back that need potting up. And I need to get into this composter and harvest some of this compost. I mean, the stuff at the top is a bit rough, but underneath it should be alright, so I'll do that. Some sign of life that the neighbour's actually been. It's a tree there, Christmas tree there. Not much else, but we'll see. And these that I brought in the other day are doing alright. I was going to come back and put them in pots, and it's just rained and rained and I haven't had a chance to come in and sort these out. Well, this time of the year they won't dry out anyway, but I'll give them a drink and I will pot them up. Once I've harvested the compost, that's the first job. Get that sorted and then I can pot these up. Amazing celery, it's still going. Even this chilli, even though it's been squashed by all these things because I thought it's dead and I don't need any more chilies, it might still be alive under there, so we'll have a look. There's a lot of little jobs that need doing. I'll record anything that I think might be interesting enough, but most of it is fairly boring and routine. Harvesting compost, planting seedlings, stuff everybody's seen before, so I may or may not record some of it. Yesterday I had to leave early because suddenly dark clouds came over and I thought it was going to rain heavily, so I had to leave and go home early. So I didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done, but I've got the greenhouse organised and all the pots and things ready. The only thing left was to sieve the compost, but as it was going to rain I decided that I would go home. But then it didn't rain. The first job today is to sieve the compost, get that sorted, get these potted up, and then I can get on with some other jobs. Well, I've taken a fresh stuff from the top, but the rest of it looks pretty well nicely broken down. So I'll put this through a sieve and should be alright. These are the last things I put in the pots, and a few roots, so the root ball is still there, but the rest of it is okay. Right, I'm filming in here because it's getting dark and the light in here is better than in the potting shed, but I'm sieving that compost through this fine sieve for the carrots, and because it's sticky it's taken a long time to go through and it just sticks, so it's taken a lot longer than I thought. But it is lovely stuff. I'm going to continue sieving this, and I'll have to do the sowing and potting up tomorrow, or I might do a bit of potting up with some other compost. I managed to get a bit done. I've potted up the celery. There's the other celery, and I've potted up the radishes and those couple of spring onions that actually came up. I put them in anyway because this radish pot was full, so I put a couple in that pot, so I put the onions in there. Not a bad day, and I've got some chard for dinner, plus I'm still picking salad leaves. Obviously no cucumbers and tomatoes yet, but at least I'm picking salad leaves, so I'm not going home empty-handed.